Welcome to GlenArbor Golf Club, everyone. I'm Chef Michael Ruggiero, and today we're going to do a demo with 3 separate plates, utilizing some delicious vegetables from the chef's garden. I had the privilege of meeting Chef Farmer Jones with Diane DeLucia at our Golf Kitchen Awards, and the product is just wonderful. I mean, you think about growing some vegetables in your backyard, and they don't come close to the beautiful manicured farming techniques that is going on here. When you order your GlenArbor box, you'll get a recipe card with some of my recipes. You'll get your product list, and then all of these products from the garden, they pick them the day of, and then they ship them right out to you. This box here came, within, I think it was less than 24 hours it got here, so that's how fresh it is. So we've got some beautiful little micro baby cucumbers. We're gonna pickle those out real nice. Some beautiful zucchini blossoms, probably my favorite part of the squash. Some delicious Jerusalem sunchokes, artichokes, and those we're gonna roast up. But really, any kind of application that fits a root vegetable will do well here. Some baby kale, a little baby mixture of that. Got some nice baby micro fresh flowers that are going to garnish one of our plates, and we got some Petite Romaine Lettuce. Again, just handcrafted vegetables. Got some beautiful English mint. We're going to siphon out that and add that to our lemon dressing. And then we've got some beautiful baby arugula. Nothing like some delicious peppery arugula to go with our beet salad. So we've unpacked all of our ingredients, done all our mise en place, done all our cooking, and voila, we're magically whisked away to another beautiful location here at GlenArbor, and we're going to go through all of the plate up sequences here and just kind of explain what we're doing as we go along with it. Again, cooking is for everyone. You can do it at home. We've got beautiful ingredients at GlenArbor. When we do most of our cooking, we're buying the best, freshest ingredients, and we like to let it just speak for itself, and we accent it. So the first dish we're going to do is we've got a baby romaine dish with some pickled cucumbers, stuffed zucchini blossoms, and we got a little lemon and mint vinaigrette. So for the pickled cucumbers, it's a very simple process here. You take some really, really hot boiling water, right? We got a cup of that. Then we're going to do a half a cup of rice wine vinegar, and we've got some salt, sugar, a little bit of crushed red pepper, give it a little bit of kick. We're gonna add in a little bit of garlic. So for the garlic, I just like to smash the clove, get a little flavor in there. You can add as much as you like, or as little. Same thing with the heat. Obviously with a pickling, it's great to preserve vegetables. It adds, the fermenting, makes it taste a little bit better. And you can also preserve it. So if you get a lot of vegetables and you can't get through them, quick pickling of it, and then you can have it for as long as you like. So once you get all that mixed together, we're just kind of whisking the sugar and salt just to dissolve it. And now you can add anything to it. This is a recipe, you can substitute whatever you like. And then once you have that, you can just add your cucumbers right in there. And they'll probably take about a day or so, because they're small. Larger vegetables, root veg, carrots, things like potatoes, those will take a little bit more time. For this one, probably 24 hours would be enough. So we've got those here. They've been sitting and ready to go. So with that, we're gonna do a little stuffed zucchini blossom. We've got these, again, these are beautiful. We're gonna do these kind of a franchise style. So we've got a little egg batter, and then we're gonna pan fry them. So what we've got is a little ricotta cheese in here with a little Parmesan. Get your ricotta mix. You can use a little pastry bag, and then we're just gonna open a little hole in here. Once we have that hole opened up, we're just gonna pipe it right in there. And you're just piping about a tablespoon or so, and then you can use the outer part of the leaves, and you can just kind of, close that shut. We're just gonna drop those in the egg. So you want to add the oil to the pan just so it gets kind of loose real quick. Don't want to be too hot. And then we're just going to add our egg battered blossoms in there. We're going to cook them for probably about a minute on each side. You really just want to set the egg, and then we can flip them over and get the other side. We got a nice little plate here. Sea salt and some beautiful olive oil. Just get them in a 450-degree oven, about 10-15 minutes until they kind of blister and get soft. Take them right out. We're just gonna keep this nice and simple. So we got these nice artichokes. You see how they're just beautiful, you know. Put some kale in there. Kind of press that over like that. Roasted beets. So, you know, to get to this, you can do a lot of ways. You can get them in a pot and boil them. With these ones, we add a little bit of orange juice, olive oil, salt and pepper again. Nice hot oven, covered with foil. Just let it kind of steam. Take the top off for the last 15-20 minutes. They can roast a little bit. And then you can have fun with your shapes and sizes. If you want to do, you know, round, circles, squares. Enjoy this delicious beet salad from the chef's garden with these beautiful flowers and arugula, with a beautiful Pinot Noir rosé from Domaine de la Rivière, the Shoshana. What could be nicer as we get into the spring and the summertime than to have a beautiful chilled rosé? Beautiful zucchini blossoms, Francais style, with the lemon and mint dressing. And we've got this beautiful Domaine de la Rivière Chardonnay, a bit of a white burgundy style, not your classic old California. Delicious nonetheless, and beautiful to pair with this dish. And then with our delicious kale salad with the roasted Jerusalem artichokes, we've got the Domaine de la Rivière Pinot Noir from the Russian River Valley. Beautiful area for Pinot, some of the best in the country. Enjoy.